Assalamualaikum everyone. There's something creepy going on in Minecraft, and Shahan Bhai will sort it out.
Yeah, I'm really scared about this creepy stuff.
Look, Shahan Bhai, someone digged here.
Yes, I think so. But but I think we are on the wrong way.
Juggers of lanterns.
Yeah.
And what's that light?
ना
Oh no, it was our own
पहले
way.
से ना एक
Where
साइड का
where we did
और
we go?
मैंने भी नहीं
We
लिया
must
और दावा
yes
भी
we
नहीं,
are lost
कोई भी नहीं
in
मैंने
Sonic
रखा था, बस पहले से लगा
and
था।
something
और
like
Sonic
we
में-
call
might
Sonic.
be living
There was a
here.
sign of Sonic.
Sonic, I did.
And we
Sonic, then I put it again.
Yes.
Then I put it again.
And we found some steps.
Very scary steps. Someone lives here, but of course a spider can't dig.
Yes, look, these look like
नहीं, वहाँ भी मैन रहता है जो लंबा सा बंदा नहीं जो ट्रांसफॉर्म करता है माइनक्राफ्ट में।
ये क्या है? ये pink
ये लंबा सा बंदा होता है। कहाँ गया?
कहीं
हाँ चली गया
कहीं बंदा
हाँ चली
he
गया
could disappear.
हाँ शहान, he could teleport.
But where? We must find the answer where.
Yeah.
That guy in
Look,
Minecraft.
I saw him again. I can saw him again. Look, see?
यहाँ पे आ गए।
हाँ, लाइट जलाओ जल्दी।
Right.
Blue? We are in water? But how can it be? Water? Where could
भाई
we?
किसी ने बनाया हुआ होगा कुछ।
Look.
यहाँ पे लाइट डालो। ये उसी का ही घर होगा डार्क वाले का, क्या पता? क्या पता, शान है ना? क्या?
Yes.
I see another part.
I'm also going over. But we also see there that's another part.
He must be a dark.
But we came from here, alright?
यहाँ पे हाथ ना रखो ताकि आवाज।
We can't see anything because someone did
Oh,
everything.
we are going down. There's something down over there. I saw him again.
है
यहाँ
जी।
पे आ गया।
ये इसे ना मारो प्लीज, ना मारो।
ये देखो ये
लंबा बंदा है।
teleport हो गया।
टेलीपोर्ट होता है ये।
हाँ। teleport हो
क्या
गया।
करूं?
ये क्या आवाज है?
Who is this man?
ये क्या आवाज है?
Why?
शान पीछे जाओ, पीछे देखो।
Water? He was just tricking us. Oh no, he was just here. But what is happening over here?
देखो से मारने की कोशिश करो।
Why did
Light
he?
जलाओ।
Why did he written Sonic at the passage? Let us.
मुझे रास्ते में चल लग गए।
That was. Where is he?
Where is he gone? I can see something. He teleported.
Yeah.
हम लोग इस वीडियो का नाम रखते हैं स्कैरी मोमेंट्स इन माइनक्राफ्ट, है ना?
बस अभी वीडियो चल रहा है उनको पता
Let's-
चलेगा किड्स।
Let's see. Okay, this is very creepy, guys. If you have something like this, write in the comments, please tell us.
Yeah.
First, we can explore the water.
Yeah.
Where does the water coming from?
But the money came. So you need to ask your dad to download it with purchase.
Why someone is putting blocks? I think.
I think this ये बंदा ही रहता है, but he's not a man, he's a monster. How could he live here? शान भाई देखो पीछे, अगर तुम्हारे पीछे है.
No.
And that was so scary.
When I threw this spear, he
Disappeared.
yes, disappeared or teleported somewhere else. Oh, sorry.
But this is so scary, guys.
Come on.
And at the entrance of the passage, there was written Sonic.
Yes, but I deleted
find
it
it.
accidentally, so I write it again. Then Shanbhai deleted it, then he write it.
I think there's something creepy going on there.
Today is very scary in Minecraft. Please don't go here. I beg you to not go here.
What is this passage?
If you like say things, go here. But if you want to get a terrifying shock, please don't go here.
Let's dig and find out.
I don't want to do this. I don't want.
Should we
I
get our
can't
camera
bear
on
to
the
look.
screen?
I can't bear it to look.
Therefore,
But
we will
and
play.
we are lost. Where could we go and find that monster man?
What
But should we show them our camera? No, no.
How do I go home?
Let's not show them our camera. But look, we guys are lost too.
Yeah, we are lost.
Some treasure chest. One treasure chest is like this man.
And we can't build anything over here. And we can't put a
नहीं,
campfire.
जहाँ तुम खड़े होते वहाँ नहीं डाल सकते. जहाँ तुम खड़े हो ना वहाँ नहीं डाल सकते.
लेकिन बिल्ड क्यों नहीं कर सकते वहाँ पर भी?
आगे जाओ शान भाई, आगे जाओ.
ये हम लॉस्ट हो गए. ये हम लोग ने गलत पैसे ले लिया गलती से.
एक सेकंड. Should we stop the video now?
Yes.
Okay, thanks for watching, guys. If something creepy happened to you, please tell us. Okay, and you will see the second part of this. Bye bye.